Good morning, guys. It's Saturday. I feel like I'm only gonna start recording on Saturdays. I don't know. But welcome back to another eventful Saturday. It's beautiful outside, so me and my mom are gonna go look at cars today. We're really excited. And then probably grab something to eat. But other than that, not too much. And I hope you guys enjoy. Mwah.
I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Yeah.
To my future man, get on it, because I'm ready. Cute. She's a 5.
Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you're chasing.
This one's cute. This one looks like it has room though. This one looks like it has room though for it to be a car. I guess it's the S580.
Oh, what's it? Yeah.
Like, yeah, this one's big and roomy. It got TVs in the back.
Is that?
Yes.
Should be outside.
Don't they usually come out and get you when they see you looking?
I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say.
Can you guys hear me? We're at lunch right now, slash dinner, I guess. We went car shopping. She's still trying to figure out what she wants to do. Yeah, I'm starving. I can't get this. Let me see if I can. Okay. Hey guys. But yeah, so she don't know what she want to do with the Avenue car. But the ones that we test drive, well, we only got the test drive one so far, and it was really nice. But we need to test drive one more before she can make a decision. So I'm trying to encourage her to make that the other test drive where she just wows out and purchases the one.
I just put that calamari in for you guys.
Okay.
Did you want to do anything else besides the water? Or are you
Yeah, do you guys have Sprite?
Yeah, Sprite. Yeah, I'll go Sprite. I'll grab that. Thank you.
I haven't had soda in I don't know how long. Sprite me up, sprite me up. She was looking at me reporting.
Even if you gotta leave somebody, yeah. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic.
Bad bitch, 50 flow, in her body.
What's tea, friends? It's a beautiful day out here today. Mind you, I gotta hold my camera because I like this angle better. This angle eats, you know? Yeah. So I am on my way to get my lashes done. Other than that, not too much going on. It's a beautiful day outside. OMG, I can't wait for the summertime. I'm about to show my whole booty hole. Y'all don't even dig it. I'm on my way to get a refill. And that's about it. I hate coming out this way because cars just be speeding. Can y'all see him on the bike? He just messed up my freaking pull-out game. Ugh!
Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous.
Y'all, I almost fell asleep in that chair. I'm like so exhausted. I don't W2s are on the way. You know what that means. Time to hit up Target. Do my good old fashioned. Hopefully that was good. I can't see, but I'm about to head on home because I'm tired. Low-key want a snack. I don't know what that's about. I know y'all not gonna let me out. I already know. It's fine. I got bigger fish to fry. Somebody always think I'm gonna hit them like I don't have a backup camera and like I can't see. And do you really think I'm about to damage my car to hit you? You're bugging. Backup skills is beautiful. I'm telling you. I get better and better each day. Good morning, good afternoon. What's tea? I tried to curl my hair today and it's not giving. Really, it's not. I'm very irritated with the results, but it is what it is. I tried to do the rod thing. I tried to curl it a certain way. Like, it's cute, but like I feel like it could be better. But whatever. Today I am gonna go get my nails done and do some running around with my mom, and that's about it. They said it was supposed to be nice today. It's not. I don't know who said that, but you're a liar on my soul. Other than that, I want Chick-fil-A, and I feel like I always want it on a Sunday, so I feel like I need to just get it today. I have to make that a goal of mine. But other than that, not too much. You already know, not too much going on. And I will see you guys later.
You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Yeah. Dolls on this side, dolls over on this side. Hey. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded.
Play with somebody else.
It was safer.
And how about the car behind me?
I was about to say the
Right
car
up on me?
behind you on your butt.
Yep, because he probably like, yeah. Y'all need to stop playing. People waiting in line and then you just gonna come cut.
I need to stop talking until I eat.
That's how I feel too.
Somebody tried to crack on me in front of my mom. Not tried. He did.
He wasn't even tall enough.
Not impressed. I gotta do it right this time.
To say, hey mom. Boy,
I gotta do it right this time.
I wanted you to lie so bad.
It was on the tip of my tongue.
I was like, she gotta say a different name.
It was on the tip of my tongue.
When I saw the braids, I was like, sir.
First of all, I only do low cut Caesars with the deep waves. I didn't know he worked there. I thought he was about to ask us if we wanted like insurance or something.
You thought he was selling Verizon phone?
Yes, that's exactly what I thought it was.
We were not in Walmart. It must be hard for guys to approach girls.
And you know, that took a lot of guts for him. But
it has to be really, really hard to do that.
Yeah. I'm too busy. I'm locked in right now. I wish y'all could have seen me running around Target trying to get content earlier. Hilarious. And I left the basket there. You found it?
Like chicken rice?
They should. I feel like if there's a pork version or something, there's like a chicken version. Yeah. Dang, I am starting to get hungry. Said I am starting to get hungry. Oh, this bread smells good. And now I'm starving, like I'm loving.
know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yeah. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase.
So I'm trying to edit this video for Valentine's Day for TikTok. Y'all like. This is gonna be posted today, so by the time I actually post this video, this TikTok will already be up. But I want to close this video out by saying thank you so much for all the support, all the views. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video.